haven't driven this thing in forever, bro. Oh, this gas is old. We got all the lights. No gas. I gotta take this sticker off. You know, it's taking off now. Oh, I don't want to scratch shit. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We back. This car has been abandoned. I haven't driven this in maybe 6 or more so months, but I'm getting the motivation to work on the car again. So I'm gonna go ahead and get gas because this thing has like no gas and it's so old and smells so bad. I'm gonna give you guys a walk around the car. The car is disgusting, but basically having more motivation to play the car scene again. Get back into the car scene, try to work on the Mustang again, and hopefully just stay here. You know what I mean? But yeah, let's go to Costco. Oh, it feels so weird to be driving this again. I don't know if you can tell, but the car is a lot quieter. Ugh. I don't know how to drive stick no more. Ah, it's so quiet. Let's open the window. Red match? Yup. Auto red match. Driver mod. I don't know if I should be driving. I didn't check the tire pressure. I don't know if I'm gonna make it to Costco. 14? Ah, fuck it. We're running. We made it. 7 miles. 7 miles. We're at Costco. Hey, we topped off. If you ever wondered how much gallons a Mustang takes, it's 15, I think. I forget it. But your boy's gonna go to Walmart, get some oil filter, cause you know I'm serious about getting back in the car. So you know, let me go get the goods and a battery for the key. Never mind. I'm parked here cause shade. We'll go to Walmart after, but my Mustang has been abandoned, bro. We back. Is that a V? Is that a CTS V? No, it's not. We're good, we're good. Yeah, I haven't driven it in forever. Dirty, as you can see. I've done like the basics of just wiping the bird doodle off the hood, because like in my garage, you can see it like right above the camera or the sill that they could just stand on and poop. I have the Vosses back on. I do still have the V-Schneus. They're at home, stacked, covered. So actually I was thinking of selling the car, and that's why I have the stock exhaust back on too. Bro, these, the Fitment, look at, what the fuck? Ain't no fucking way I'm driving like this. Ah, don't fuck up the bumper, bro. Oh, I might just go straight home after this. Oh, jeez, that's embarrassing. Yeah, so I took the exhaust off to put the stock ones back on. It is a, I guess, custom from an exhaust shop for the H-pipe, and it's like uneven cut because they also cut the mufflers, the previous owner. to fit, or no, cut the X pipe to fit the axle back that they had at the time. Yeah, so they did that. Oh my god, I want to go home. That's so embarrassing. Yeah, so there was thought of selling the car because I just lost interest. You know, when a car breaks down for a long time, when the trans went and kind of just sits there, you kind of think maybe you don't need it anymore. But Rihanna has gotten me motivated again to work on the car, and because we're pretty close to paying it off already. Yes, I know the bank owns it, yes. But yeah, I was gonna sell it. There was a CTSV that popped up. I wanted it, but if I were to think smart, I guess, it would probably have been better to not go into another loan like that. Like, yes, I would have money after I sell this, and it could go towards the CTSV, which would have been cool. But your boy just got a house recently. Oh shit! Making it a rental property. You know, trying to prepare myself better for the future. But yeah, everything will go back on, the Vishnus and the Corsas, especially now. Like, even if it does sound better to some of you guys, bruh, I had to buy new clamps because I didn't have the old ones, and I did, and I clamped them. I don't know. And like I did it like multiple times. Like, it was good, and then like after I would drive for like 5 miles, it would go like sag like that again. Oh, that's so embarrassing. But yeah, we back. I'm gonna put the Vishnus back on. Corsas. This wing here is gone. This was this Drake Wicker. So I think, look, can you see the gap right here? So I think the stud from the actual wing actually snapped off. But not the stud. The riv nut in here, it actually snapped off. So I'm gonna take the wing fully out and then see if I can put another riv nut in it, and then it should be fine after that. If not, I'm gonna try wingless. Oh god, I can't stop thinking about the exhaust. Yeah, what do you guys think? Also, M340 was in the thought process of getting, because BMW, I miss my M3 E92, and I kind of like BMWs. Not biased or anything, but the 340 part is biased because B58, and they're like 22,000, 24,000, like not a lot. But like I said, I don't want to get into another loan, and yeah, basically this is a I'm back, baby, I'm back. So stay tuned for the choke videos, and hopefully I don't slack on them this time. I'm gonna go ahead and take pictures. I left my camera at home, so I'm gonna take a picture with my phone for thumbnail, or maybe this could be thumbnail. Shee, right there. Thumbnail right there. Boom. Yep, I'm gonna go home because that is not it. I'm gonna grab the truck and go and grab the stuff for it. Just know I am serious. We back. 21,000 miles on the car, so it's still really low, and it's a 19. I got some other pieces for the interior. There's a lot of stuff. Car stuff is expensive, so we'll see. Alright, we back at the crib. Get up, bro. I wanted to go buy the windshield wipers because your boy's wipers is falling apart over here. Look at this. Ain't no way I'd be driving like this. Ain't no way. Wipers, oil, filter. What else am I gonna need now? I have all my detailing stuff. I got some new ones coming in actually. Bro, this thing is 2022. I think it's gonna be like 1,500 or so to update it. Oh, actually, it's about to come It's about to be June already, so it might be 4. Oh, it's like 1700 bucks. It's okay. It's my fault for neglecting it and abandoning it. Yeah. I'm excited. Just know I'm really excited. I got the V-Tunes right here. Corsa's is over there. Clean it up and make the car look fresh again. Is that better? Does it help with the light? Got a little kit for the camera. Watch this. Is that right, doggy? Alright, we're watching this. Like I said, we back. And I'm for real. Hopefully the seep. This is ND filter. Helps. I was gonna use the wide angle, but I think the sun is like the biggest problem for it. Okay, so I'm gonna wash this. Hopefully bring it back. The paint. Last I recall, there wasn't that much swirls, so let me set up my stuff. New bucket and rolling thing. What is this? Guard. Wash off thingy. Wheel bucket, pressure washer, foam cannon, foam cannon, soap, decon soap. I'm no detailer, but I like to try. Bruh. Crooked ass shit. Not as crooked, but crooked. Hopefully the water spots come off. I'm supposed to let it dry, but it's drying. So I'm gonna do the hand wash after I rinse it. The wheels look the same, just maybe lighter gray. Sun's going down. Oh god. My SD card is full, but oh, that's 16 quality though. So as you can see, like the blue is kind of popping a lot more now. Probably clay bar, wipers, and I kind of want to go like take a photo, but I don't know if I'll beat the sun, or maybe I'll go right here actually. Super dirty. Stay at like water spots over here. Detail. I actually might just do a quick clay bar and then try to get a photo.